Today's corrective exercises are geared towards the kids that are doing sports right now, mainly track and soccer. So I've had some parents ask me how they can help relieve the pressure in their children's legs when they come home from practice complaining about the pain. So foam rolling, which is really self-myofascial release, or SMR, is an excellent way to do that and not have to take them to get a sports massage. So anytime we foam roll, we're releasing tension out of the muscle. So we're going to find today how to do the peroneals, which is from the side of the knee all the way down to the ankle. Idea here is to go ahead and roll till you find the spot that hurts the most. You're going to hold there, and you're going to stay for 60 to 90 seconds, and then you're going to release and find another spot that hurts. So instead of rolling back and forth like this, and that's your foam rolling, that's a great start to find where it hurts. But once you do, then you need to stop and hold it right there, and then relieve that pressure. Make sure you're breathing, and there you go.